Ever wondered how to create your very own oasis with aquatic gardens and water features? Aquatic gardens are vibrant ecosystems where water and plant life harmoniously coexist. They can include captivating elements like ponds, waterfalls, or fountains. Stay tuned to find out how to set up your very own water paradise. Creating an aquatic garden may seem complex, but with these simple steps, you can create a beautiful water feature in your backyard. Let's dive right in. Firstly, location is paramount. You'll want to find a spot that receives at least 4 to 6 hours of sunlight each day. This is essential for the photosynthesis process of your plants. Next, consider the size and shape of your garden. A kidney or oval shape is often recommended for beginners, as it provides a natural look and is easier to maintain. Once you've decided on the location and shape, it's time to choose the right plants. You'll need a mix of submerged, marginal, and floating plants to create a balanced ecosystem. Some popular choices include water lilies, lotus, and duckweed. After planting, gently add water, ensuring it's chlorine-free to protect your plants and any aquatic life you plan to introduce later. Lastly, don't forget maintenance. Regular cleaning to remove debris and dead leaves, along with periodic water changes, will keep your aquatic garden thriving. And there you have it, a beautiful aquatic garden right in your own backyard. Let's recap on what we've learned today on setting up an aquatic garden. We've covered the importance of choosing the right location, selecting the appropriate size and shape, and choosing the right plants. We also dove into the steps of adding water and maintaining your aquatic garden. All these elements combine to create a tranquil and beautiful garden that brings joy and peace. Remember, creating an aquatic garden is a fun and rewarding process. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks.